and Moreland.
Temperatures this afternoon running a good 15 to 25 degrees warmer than what we saw yesterday. But even with today's warm up, the average temperature for the month up to this point is still running 6.5 degrees below normal, making this the 41st coldest start to January on record. But we are going to warm up. Here's a look at your 7-day temperature trend. At least for the next couple of days, we'll see highs pretty close to freezing on Wednesday, upper 20s to around 30 on Thursday, and then another shot of colder weather will return for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, with highs only in the teens to around 20 degrees. Right now, we have temperatures that range from the lower teens across the north to the mid-20s across the south, but with a south to southwest wind continuing into the evening, many locations will hold steady or slowly climb as we make our way towards midnight. Right now in Green Bay, it's mostly clear and 21. In Appleton, it is 19 degrees, and we're still dealing with that southwest wind, which has been quite gusty throughout the day. So although it was warmer, it still felt pretty chilly out there during the afternoon, and right now wind chills are in the single digits and lower teens. The radar shows quiet conditions across northeast Wisconsin, even though we had some clouds today. Really not a whole lot going on. Our main weather maker is a warm front that is now pushing across the state. That warm front ushering in some much warmer weather to the central part of the country. We had highs this afternoon in the 20s, but on the other side of that front, 30s, 40s, and 50s. And we're going to tap into just a little bit of that warmth later on tonight and into tomorrow. Your forecast for Wednesday calls for lots of clouds. We'll have the chance for a little bit of light snow or flurries from time to time. High temperatures tomorrow will be pretty close to freezing. As far as snowfall accumulations are concerned, not much. The computer forecast models are generally showing a dusting to maybe a half an inch where we do see that snow. So tonight, look for much warmer conditions. Temps holding steady or slowly climbing with a mixture of stars and high clouds. Tomorrow, we'll see some patchy light snow or flurries. Otherwise, lots of clouds and warmer temperatures with highs in the upper 20s to lower 30s. If you crack freezing, well, technically you would have a January thaw tomorrow. That's certainly possible. On Thursday, mostly cloudy skies. Once again, some patchy light snow or a few flurries. The same goes for Friday. It looks like a system that's going to produce quite a bit of snow is going to travel well to our west. Colder temperatures, 18 for a high. Saturday, maybe a little bit of lake effect snow from the Fox Valley towards the lakeshore. That's something we'll be watching as we get closer. Chance for a few flurries or some light snow on Sunday, with temperatures pretty close to normal for early next week with highs in the lower to mid-20s. Nina?
Bouncing back up to normal. That's what we want to hear. Kim, thank you. When we return, you've done everything you can to stay